What's he doing?
The machine reads the price.
Hello. Good morning. Here's your receipt.
We need fruit, vegetables, milk, and bread. Let me get our bag. Here we are. It's nice and bright inside.
It's too high, Mommy.
First, we go to the fruit section.
This one is good.
We also need bananas. Your brother loves them. Oranges are healthy.
Look at this toy. Can I have it?
Not today, Kelly. We are only here for food.
What are those green things? I don't like salad, Mom.
Oh, but this lettuce is so fresh and yummy. Won't you please try just a little bit?
Mommy, what smells so good? We'll take this. It's cold here.
That's because the milk needs to stay cold.
Now we need milk and eggs. I'll be careful. Mommy, what about the cookies? Yes, I love chocolate chips. Look, Mom, Jungle Crunch.
I see it, sweetie. Let's keep moving, okay?
Hello. Good morning. Here's your receipt.
Wait, did we buy the carrots?
Yes, don't worry. They are in the bottom of the bag.
Mommy, the bag looks heavy. I won't drop it. Finally home, Chowan. I love you, Mommy.
I need to wash them first. Then they go in the fridge.
Mom, when can we eat the cookies?
After lunch.
Thank you for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe.